Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam comes into the masjid and he sees one of the Ansari sitting down. I said, "Oh Abu Umama, why am I seeing you sitting here in the masjid when it's not time for salah?" So he says, "Stress, a lot of worries, and also I've got debts." Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam then said, "Should I teach you something that if you say it, Allah will take away your worries and Allah will relieve you of your debt?" So he said, "Of course, Messenger of Allah." He said, "When the morning comes and when the evening comes, make this dua. Allahumma inni a'udhu bika min al-hammi wal-hazan." Oh Allah, I seek refuge in you from worries and from grief. وَأَعُوذُ بِكَ مِنَ الْعَجْزِ وَالْكَسَلِ. Oh Allah, I seek refuge in you from me being unable to do things. Because you know, when you have worries and when you have debts, what does it do? It makes you a person who becomes unable to do things. وَأَعُوذُ بِكَ مِنَ الْبُخْلِ وَالْجُبْنِ. And it can also make you what? It can make you stingy. It can make you be a person who's scared. وَأَعُوذُ بِكَ مِنْ غَلَبَةِ الدَّيْنِ وَقَهْرِ الرِّجَالِ. And I seek refuge in you from the overpowering of debts coming onto me and the anger of men. When people are upset with me, I seek refuge in you from that. So Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam, when he taught him that, he said, I said that every morning once, every evening once. And he says that Allah removed from me my worries and He also cleared me of my debts.